So recently I heard this story about this young DJ who booked a warehouse and invited his friends to the warehouse and then DJ'd at that warehouse and recorded it, posted it on social media. It went viral and he ended up getting booked as a headliner at a festival. Now, this is a story that I heard, not sure if it's true or not, but it definitely got me thinking. What makes a DJ successful? Is it the raw talent behind the decks, or is it the ability to build a brand and become a household name? Today, we're breaking down the battle between DJ skills versus popularity, and which one actually gets you more gigs. Whether you're a club DJ, mobile wedding DJ, or a festival headliner, bookings are the name of the game. Let's dive in to see the stats and real world examples to see what matters most on today's Cheat Code. So first, let me break down my definition of skills or DJ skills. This is your technical ability. So beat matching, scratching, mixing, reading the crowd. These are what I would call your technical skills. If you're great at these, this is what I would call a technical DJ. A DJ that has skills but may not have that extra oomph, may not have that popularity, right? So some examples of a skilled DJ would be DJs who are technically gifted but not mainstream famous. So maybe an underground legend, maybe a local DJ that's really great but just hasn't peeked through to mainstream or on a national level. Reality check. Skill alone doesn't guarantee bookings. You need networking, branding, and marketing to get noticed. In the case of popularity, I would define that as a DJ that has a social media presence, they create a viral moment, they have great branding and industry connections, they're cool with a lot of promoters, they have promoter connections, they may have a local name, they have a fan base, or their fan base is a larger size than someone else. This is who I would seem to be a popular DJ. These are DJs who, well, let me change that. Some of these DJs aren't the most technical, but they dominate bookings due to their brand power. So an example of that would be your celebrity DJs, right? So there's a lot of celebrity DJs. They were a celebrity at one point. Now they become a DJ. Nothing wrong with that, but they're using their branding to promote their DJing. DJ Mag's top 100 DJs ranking is fan voted, meaning popularity plays a huge role in a DJ's success. Here's the kicker. Being famous doesn't mean you're the best DJ, but it does mean more opportunities. So what actually gets you more gigs? So the best DJs blend skill with branding. Think of DJs who mastered their craft, but also market themselves very well. Here's some formulas to think about. Skill plus branding plus networking equals more bookings. Social media plus content creation equals visibility. Engagement plus reputation equals demand. If you want consistent gigs, focus on both. Hone your craft, but also build your brand. So what do you think? Does skill matter more, or is popularity the key? Drop a comment below. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification for more DJ cheat codes. Stay marvelous, cheat code.